In Jupyter Lab, we work with cells of code. If I click on the plus, I am creating multiple cells. Then, if I click inside one of them, I can write the lines of code that, if I click on the play, they are executed. If I apply the same operation, but now I put the cell in markdown mode and then I execute, it's not giving me the result because the markdown mode is to write notes. The markdown cells are often used to create headings. For example, if I put this character, then I turn it into markdown, I execute, I can see how the heading appears in the table of contents. I can duplicate this heading and give a different level like 2, 3, or 4. And then executing all of them will result in different level of heading. In a proper notebook, you would see how the headings are related to the cells of code that are written below. For example, the data, then creating some plots, as you can see in the image, interactive plots, as you can see as I hover the mouse, and even linear regressions. This is because inside the markdown cell, we have put these two characters. If you have any doubts or would like to learn more about the shortcuts in Jupyter, let me know in the comments.